In this video lesson, I will show you what is volatility 151 second index and also how to open and close an order here inside the trading platform, which is MetaTrader 5 with the broker, and below that you have also a Pip value table for synthetic indices. You will find this link to downloading this PDF with all other examples and explanations just below in the descriptions. And also you will find a link for this volatility 151 second index also below in the description. Let me show you what is this Pip calculator and how to use it with the trading platform. On the top you have a Pip value which defines inside in the US dollar. When you click calculate, you get the value here. Below that you have a symbol with a drop-down menu where you can select any other synthetic indices, but in this case I have selected volatility 151 second index. When you select any of these, it will populate automatically with the values for the contract size and also the point value. These values are defined here by the daily broker, which I am using, so you can find also these values here inside the table. Then you have below that the volume, which is a lot size that defines also and affecting the price of the Pip value. Below that you have a contract size which is defined by the broker, so this doesn't change in calculation. You put this one at the start and do not change. If you change that, you will affect the values and you will get incorrect values for you. Then you have the point value, and the point value defines what is a 1 pip. So here it is defined as a 0.01 price change. So if the price change on the chart, which is currently 23253.31, so when this price change by 0.01, it will mean that the price has changed by 1 pip. And the value of 1 pip, when you click calculate with these values, you get that the value will be $0.01. So when the price change here on the chart by 0.01, it will mean that the price has changed by 1 pip and also for $0.01. Below that you have the entry price, a stop loss and the take profit. If you would like to calculate the stop loss, take profit difference and also these values in US dollars, you can simply enter here the values before opening an order and see is this okay or not. If you are okay, simply go here in the trading platform and open a new order. If not, you can change the volume and also put any other values between the minimum and the maximum volume size for this synthetic indice. So for a volatility 151 second, the minimum is 0.001 and the maximum is 1. If you go beyond these values, you will not be able to open a new order inside the trading platform. Let's see how this works with the example. For example, on the chart, you would like to open an order with the current market price and you're expecting that the price will go down, so you put stop loss, for example, here just above these highs of these candles. For example, the take profit would be here. So before opening an order, you can calculate how much the stop loss would be and also the take profit. You simply enter here these three values, enter the entry price, which is 23256.11. The stop loss would be 24028.43 and the take profit would be 21895.89. Click calculate. You get the price difference. Simply copy paste this one here, click calculate. You would get that the stop loss difference would be equal to $772.32 and the take profit would be equal to 1360. If you're okay with that, simply go here, open new order. Volume would be left as a 1 because we have used volume as a 1 here inside the Pip calculator, and copy paste these values for the stop loss and the take profit. Then open a sell by the market because we are expecting that the price will go down. This means sell. So we have currently opened a new order. Let's copy this one, which is a new entry price. So we have here the correct values inside the Pip calculator, 23303.24. Click calculate. And we have new stop loss. Simply copy this one here and we get the stop loss in US dollars. Now let's remove these horizontal lines so we can see take profit and the stop loss. Let's hover our mouse over this line to see what will be the value for the stop loss. Now we have 725.19. It is the same value that we have here inside the Pip calculator. So if we put here the take profit, okay, calculate 1407.35. Let's put this one here. It is the same value. You can see that you can use volatility 150 1-second index Pip calculator to get these values before opening an order. This way you can see is the stop loss too high or too low, and also is it the take profit okay with you. If you make these calculations, you get the correct values and you can make a proper risk management before opening an order. If these values are too high, because we have opened the highest volume available, you can also change the volume and put them lower, so you can have a lower stop loss and also take profit. Let's make that happen. For example, we are opening a new order at the market price. Now we are expecting the price could go up, and for example the stop loss would be here. Let's enter these values inside the Pip calculator. 23279.16. Stop loss would be 22783.49, and we could get 24939 as a take profit. Click calculate. You would get this value for the stop loss. Click calculate. It will be $495. If this is too much, simply change this value here. For example, if you would like 10 times less, you would put here 0.1. So when you click calculate, you get $49.57. If you would like to put this one as a 100, so this means you would multiply it with 2, you put this one here to 0.2. Click calculate, and you would get the stop loss close to 100. Let's put the take profit here. This would be equal to $331. So the stop loss would be around 100 and the take profit would be around 300. If you are satisfied with that and your risk management tells you that is okay, this means that you can open a new order, which will be a buy order because you are expecting that the price will go up. Put the stop loss here inside the trading platform and the take profit, but remember to change the value here for the volume, which will be equal to 0.2. Okay, now click buy, and the new order is open here with stop loss take profit. A new price for the entry price will be different, so we need to put this one inside the Pip calculator. 2334314. Click calculate. We get new price difference for the stop loss. Click this one here, copy paste, and we get $111.93. Let's see is the same value inside the trading platform. Let's remove these horizontal lines. Stop loss would be 111.93. It is the same value we got here, and let's see if take profit would be 319.19. It is the same value. You can see that you can use this volatility 150 1-second index to calculate the values for the stop loss and the take profit, simply entering these values here for the order inside these fields. You can use this Pip calculator to get the value of stop loss, take profit before opening order, so you can see is it okay or the values are too high or too low. If you have any questions regarding this volatility 150 1-second index Pip calculator, simply leave a comment and I will try to make a new video lesson to explain and answer your question. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!